If you observe RDBMS versus Hive, so first one, similar syntax. Similar syntax. Advantages of Hive over RDBMS. So first, similar syntax. No programming skill is required. And next one, Hive works on distributed environment. Hive runs on distributed environment. But RDBMS systems are non-distributed systems. And one more, advantage is UDF. User defined functions. This is main powerful of Hive. These UDFs we can implement in Java or Python. UDFs we can implement by using Java or Python. SQL not provides solutions for all problems. Then SQL means here HQL. SQL means HQL plus UDF. HQL plus UDF provides solution for any problem. So if there is, we have all SQL functions, right? All SQL facility. If all these SQL not supporting to provide solution to your problem, then implement UDF and attach UDF to HQL. Attach UDF to HQL, then you can provide solution to any big data problem, any big data issue. So because UDFs we implement by using Java or Python. So these are languages. Language provides a solution for any problem. Languages provides solution for any problem. So we write UDFs in language, then we attach this UDF with our query. Then we can provide solution. Assume you have a problem. Assume problem 1. So your HQL providing only 50% solution. 50% solution. It is not providing whatever the features presented in HQL, achieving only to solve 50% problem. Then in that case, you can write UDF and solve other 50%. Then attach both HQL and UDF in a single query to solve your 100% problem. Almost SQL supports all the features. If there is any feature not available, we can implement that feature by using UDF. Yep, you can use any language. Anyone, either Java or Python. No, we can use either Java or Python. Yes, we can write our own functions, user defined functions. We are using some functions here, right? So some functions we used, some function, aggregation function. So like that we can write functions. So here UDFs also divided into multiple types. We can divide row level. Each row, if you want to execute, we use UDF. Each row you want to execute, or all rows you want to execute, or column level you want to execute. For that one, we have different functions. So if you go Hive, yep, I'll show one UDF function, then you can understand. Okay, we have UDF, we have UDAF, we have UDF and UDAF. So we have two, row level and column level, or complete data level. Go to this documentation, just understand what is UDF, what is UDAF, what is UDTF. They given complete documentation. So once we execute UDF, once you understand UDF, try to do R&D and what is UDF, what is UDAF, what is UDTF. 90% in execution time we won't require uh, UDF, we don't require usage of these. Only 10% only we will write UDF or UDAF or UDTF. Only 10%, not 100%. 99% HQL provides a solution. If solution is not available, then go and implement it, attach with HQL query. I will show you how to develop UDF, how to attach UDF to our HQL query. So that the same way you can implement either in Python or Java. So this feature is not available in SQL. SQL is combination of 5 sub languages. So DDL, SQL is a combination of DDL, DML, DRL, TCL, DCL. So combination of these 5 sub languages. Other than this, we cannot do extra features. Whatever the SQL provides, we can do only these features. We cannot do any extra things because these are inbuilt. These are provided by SQL. But by using UDF, you can provide solution to any problem because we have a language support. Language support.